Hello YouTube. So let's say you wanna some dose of anonymity and privacy and you think about using Tor, so let's do that. Okay, we're gonna type Tor download and always download this application from official website. In this case this will be torproject.org. And in my case this is obviously Windows, so I need to click here. And it depends what you are using, so you can choose between Mac, Linux, Android, whatever. So I think I have it already on my PC. Let me just see where is it. Yeah, I downloaded it a couple of minutes ago to save ourselves a little bit of time. And yeah, 56.3 megabytes. This is version 4, I don't need it, so subversion 5, let's go with that. Okay, please select the language. Place where Tor will be installed, and this is important because of removal or uninstallation of Tor, and we will talk about that later. So install, show details. This will be like 20 seconds or something, I hope so. Maybe I should pause the video, or yeah, so it will be relatively quick. So yeah, add start menu and desktop shortcut, that's cool, finish, and we are done with installation basically. So let's run it for the first time, and in a split of a second we have here. So it depends if Tor is censored in your country, what you need to do basically. In that case, go to configure and follow these lines if it's censored, or if you need to use some kind of proxy connection. But for the most of the people that are living in relatively normal societies, simple connect will be fine to establish connection to network. So let's just wait for a second or two. And there you go, this is Tor browser. So let me just reposition and customize this screen size, I mean Tor size, and now you can try to go to something that's important to you. I don't know. This is just a test to see the connection speed between Tor connection and normal connection. And of course, with Tor connection, it's slower. And of course, IP address, your IP address will be different. So if you want to see it, and if you want to establish new connection through Tor network, just click here and then you will see that list of options to get new connection basically. So yeah, but that's not that important. What is important is removal process here. So if you go to control panel and to uninstall a program, and if you press T to get to Tor, you will see that there is no Tor here, because application is basically just in this folder. That's what we defined when we are installing it, okay? So what you can do is just, to delete it basically from your desktop or whatever, empty your recycle bin. And question is there any leftovers from Tor or any other application? So in that case, I think that smartest idea is to use one of these registry cleaners like Power Tools, Reg Clean from Johnny Wario. I think that's the name of developer. Let me just find that on internet. So Reg Clean, yeah, Johnny Wario. So where is that Wikipedia page? Yeah. So this is official company. This is just a small business from Finland, and the company is Macecraft Software. See, this is the official link. I was using this application for a long time. I think even when I was on Pentium 1 or something like that. Very awesome stuff, very useful application. So definitely check this website and buy that application if you like it. And you can of course download it from this section here. It's Macecraft Software. You can fulfill this form or just immediately go to download. I already have it, so let's just see how it look like basically. And there is a lot of options in this registry cleaner. Really awesome stuff. So let's just wait for a couple of seconds to run it. Okay, so as I said, a lot of options here, but the interesting thing is if you go to main tools here, you have clean and speed up my computer. That's awesome stuff. And you have uninstalled software and leftovers. So if you have some application that looks like a Tor without normal removal process, uninstallation process, do think about using registry cleaner. In this case, GV16 Power Tools, and use these two options or something to clean your system. Now, for privacy reasons, I don't want to go into all these options and so on, but on your own PC, do whatever you like. And I definitely recommend you to get this application to support Autor. It's a home business. It's a really decent and long-standing application on internet. Really awesome stuff. So anyway, relatively longer tutorial than I thought, because this is quick IT tutorials and so on. So thank you for watching, for support, for subscription, and see you next tutorial.